That is a helicopter with a gigantic saw blade attached to the bottom of it, cutting power, not power lines, but the wood off the power lines. Now I lost it. Oh, there it is. Switched up the position here, but he's getting farther away instead of closer. I don't know if you guys can see that long line hanging down. It's attached to some type of a saw blade. This is all the farther this camera zooms in. Oh yeah, I can see it trimming the trees down. That is nuts. God, I hate to be an archery hunter right now. Sitting in your tree along the power line. Of course, it's probably not real smart with that thing being near me right underneath these high voltage lines.